Let me ask you something honest. If you're over 50 and you haven't made any money online, obviously after trying, of course, it's not because you're too old. And it's not because you missed the boat. It's only because no one's explained it to you in a simple way. And today I'm going to explain a concept called affiliate marketing and why it is vital that if you're looking to do something online, you want to make an extra income, whether it's to finally retire or replace your 9-to-5 job. This is an option that is helping so many people right now because it's simple and all you have to do is learn a new, and you too can start to earn anywhere from $100, $900 on a daily basis. So if you are over 50, you want to learn the simple way, stick with me because this might finally make things click for you. If you are new here, my name is Kim. I'm over 50. I'm 53 years old. I'm not tech savvy at all. And our generation is different, right? Because we didn't grow up with social media. And I definitely didn't want to learn complicated systems or be an influencer. But I knew one thing. I didn't want to have to rely on a job forever. And I didn't want to stress about money every single month. That gets old. It gets tiring. Because here's the thing. If you're stressing about money while you have a job like I was, retirement is not in the future. Because if you can't live without your job, you're never going to be able to retire. That was my situation. But here's the thing. You start small. So my best month while working full-time in a business is $4,200. My best day was $1,000, which is obviously more than what I make in my full-time job. And of course, it didn't happen overnight, but it did happen once I finally understood what works. So if you're new to the concept of affiliate marketing, let me just explain how it works, just in a simple way. You tell a friend about a movie you watched. They go watch it. Now, obviously, this doesn't happen, but the movie theater would then give you a commission for recommending the movie. That's affiliate marketing. You don't have to create any crazy product. You can down the road, but to start, you don't need a product. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to ship anything. You don't need to handle customers. You simply share a solution. And when someone buys through your recommendation, you earn a commission. That's it. Now, there's a problem with this because there's a complicated way to learn affiliate marketing, and then there's a simple way. If you're over 50 like I am, we like the simple way because our brains are not what they used to be. So here's where people our age usually get stuck. They get introduced to affiliate marketing, and then all of a sudden they are told they have to start a YouTube channel, create an Instagram account, create a TikTok account, create a Facebook account. They have to learn SEOs. They have to create websites. They have to post every day. They have to learn email marketing. They have to not only learn ads, but they have to pay for ads every single month. Thousands of dollars. And they have to learn everything. And your brain, at least my brain, was like, I don't have the brain power for all this. So you quit even before you even begin. Maybe you've watched hours of videos to follow along. Maybe you made a sale. And then you start thinking maybe that sale was just luck instead of strategy, instead of a long-term strategy. And if you're anything like me, I used to think, what is wrong with me? I can tell you from experience, there's nothing wrong with you. The problem isn't you. The problem is how the business is taught for people that are brand new in this industry. Now, here's the part, and the reason why I quit affiliate marketing for years, because most affiliate marketing programs pay you a very small commission. Let's say you have a product that you want to sell and you only make 20% commissions from the sale. To make $5,000 a month, you have to sell $25,000 of product. That means a ton of traffic, a ton of content, and a ton of stress. And for someone over 50 who still works a full-time job, we have family responsibilities. And you don't want to live every night online for 5 to 6 hours after working a 9-to-5 job. because you know what? It's exhausting. And this is why a lot of people quit. It's why I quit. So what finally changed for me was this one idea. Fewer sales, higher commissions. When you earn 100% commissions on a product, you don't need to make hundreds of sales every month to survive. To make $5,000 a month, you only need about 5 sales. That's it. 5. And suddenly, when you start thinking like that, because 5 sales is only 1.25 sales a week, it's doable. It gives me a sense of calm, and it's realistic. And this is when affiliate marketing stopped feeling like a stressful side hustle and started to feel like a plan. So what's cool is with affiliate marketing, you can choose any kind of platform to promote on. If you want to create shorter content, TikTok is for you. If you want to create longer content, then YouTube might be the best vehicle for you. And I choose YouTube for one simple reason. People come here looking for answers. They're not scrolling for entertainment. They're searching because they're confused or stuck or stressed about money. And people over 50 trust real voices, not hype, not fast talkers. You don't need to be loud. You just need to be honest. If you're still with me and this is making sense, I have a free training that explains how this literally works step by step, what to avoid. And you can decide for yourself whether this makes sense for you without any pressure, without any hype, without any pictures of Lamborghinis in the background. And if you want to learn how you can earn up to $5,000 a month just with 5 sales, the link is below. Go ahead and watch it, take notes, and decide for yourself. And I want to leave you with this. You are not behind. You are definitely not too old to do stuff like this. You just weren't ever shown a simple way to make money online. And now you have. So subscribe to my channel if you want honest, real conversations about making money online, especially if you're over 50, and I'll see you in the next video.